Magandang buhay po at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo about solving problems involving combination. So magpipresent po ako ng different problems about combination so that you understand the lesson. So ipapaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start with number 1 example. How many ways a committee of 6 persons from 10 persons can be chosen along with a president and a secretary? So, paano po natin i-calculate yung number of ways dito po sa problem na ito? Okay, so sabi ng problem, bubuo daw tayo ng committee of 6 persons out of 10 persons. Okay? So, yung 10 persons, yun yung ating N. At yung R po natin ay 6 persons. Pero hindi po ganun kabilis o hindi po ganun direkta ang ating gagawin. So, ganito po yun. Recall natin yung formula ng combination. CNR is equal to N factorial over R factorial times N minus R factorial. So, dito po tayo magbe-base. Pero, paano pong gagawin natin? So, tatlo po yung magiging form natin dyan. So, una ay out of 6 persons, meron daw siyang president, meron siyang secretary. So, unahin natin yung para sa president para makuha natin yung number of ways. So, N is equal to, for president, isa lang po yung president, 10 persons po yung ating pamimilian. Kaya, for president, that is 10, 1. Okay? And then, para naman sa ating secretary, ito pong secretary natin, guhitan ko. Ilan po yung secretary? Isa lang po yung ating secretary. Okay, so since out of 10 persons, nakuha na natin yung president, so bawasan na natin ito ng isa. Okay, maging 9 na lang. At yung secretary po ay isa lang po yung secretary, kaya ito po ay magiging 9, 1. Okay? So, 9 na lang yung pamimilian natin kasi nakuha na yung president, and then 1 po yung secretary. And then, how about remaining? So, meron po siyang remaining kasi ang bubuuin po nating committee ay 6 persons. So, ang nakuha lang natin ay president at secretary. So, dalawa lang po yan. Ay 6 po yung bubuuin natin. So, kailangan pa natin ng 4 para mabuo yung committee. At sa pamimilian natin na 10 persons, nakuha na yung president, secretary. So, dalawa nang naibawas out of 10. Kaya 8 na lang po yan. Kaya ito ay magiging C810. Okay? C84 rather. So, 8 na lang yung pamimilian kasi meron ng president, secretary dito. At out of 6 persons na buuing committee, naibawas na yung president, secretary, dalawa. So, 4 na lang kailangan natin para mabuo yung 6 persons. So, ito po yung ating gagawin o i-calculate para makuha natin yung number of ways. Okay, so unahin natin. N is equal to, for president, C101. So, pag ganito po na ang R natin ay 1, kukuha lang po natin yung kanyang N. So, pag kinalculate po ninyo yan, ang result po ng C101 is 10. Gawin din dito sa secretary, C91, ang maging result po dyan ay 9. At dito po sa ating remaining, that is C84, kailangan natin calculate using this formula. Pero may shortcut po dyan, okay? Para di po kayo maligaw. So, ang N po natin ay 8, ang R po natin ay 4. So, ang shortcut po niyan, N factorial, i-divide natin sa R factorial. Kaya 8 factorial N over 4 factorial R. At yung kasama ng 4 factorial sa denominator, susubtract mo lang yung dalawang numbers, N at R. So what is 8 minus 4? That is 4. Okay? So, yan na po. Ito po muna yung simplify natin. Dito po muna tayo mag-focus. So, magiging N is equal to 10 times 9. Then, ito po, ifa-factor po natin yung 8 factorial hanggang 4 factorial. Kasi pwede po nating i-cancel dun sa 4 factorial dito sa denominator. Okay? So, gawin po natin. So, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. Okay? Hanggang 4 lang. Kasi may 4 factorial sa denominator so that we can cancel. Yung 4 factorial na isa dito, kailangan natin factored out kasi wala tayong pagkakanselan na factorial. Kaya ang 4 factorial ay 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So we can cancel now 4 factorial denominator, 4 factorial numerator. So ang matitira po dyan ay 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Okay? So ayan po ay 1,680 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 sa denominator ay 24. Okay, mamaya pwede po ang cancellation method. Tignan po natin. Okay, so tuloy muna natin. N is equal to 10 times 9 Then, if you're going to divide 1,680 divided by 24, yan po ay 70. And if you are going to multiply, that is 6,300 ways. Okay, so in this case, pwede po kayo mag-cancel po dito. Okay? So, by using cancellation, dito po sa part dito ay, ito po pwedeng cancel po yung 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? So, okay, so for number 2 problem, how many different selections of 5 books can be made from 12 different books if, letter A, 2 particular books are always selected, letter B, 2 particular books are never selected. Okay, so ang pamimilian po natin ay 12 different books and ang selection po natin or ang R natin ay 5 books. Pero meron po tayong condition A at B. So for A, 2 particular books are always selected. So unahin po natin yan na isolve. So paano po gawan ng formula? Ang formula po niyan ay n is equal to, since yung 2 books are always selected, out of 12 different books, ibawas na po natin yung 2 particular books. Okay? Dalawang books. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So ang n na lang po natin dyan ay 10. At out of 5 books, since dalawa na nga po yung laging selected, ibawas na po natin yung dalawa out of 5. So 3 na lang. So magiging 10, 3. So yun po yung ating formula. So C, 10, 3. Ito po yung formula para makalculate itong letter A question. Okay, so to calculate, this become, ang formula natin ay always yan. So ano po yung ating shortcut dyan? Ganito lang po yan. So n is equal to n factorial o lagi yung unang number. So n is 10. So 10 factorial over, ang denominator ay yung r factorial. So, 10 over 3. Ito po yan. At yung kasama ng 3 factorial or kasama ng number dito sa denominator, aside from 3 factorial, ay isusubtract natin ito. 10 minus 3 is 7. Kaya magiging 7 factorial. Okay? So, cancellation ang gawin natin po dito. I-factored out natin yung 10 factorial hanggang 7 factorial kasi may 7 factorial sa denominator so that we can cancel. Okay? So, magiging 10,987 factorial. At sa denominator naman, since ito po yung ka-cancelled out natin na factorial, 7 factorial, i-factored out na po natin yung 3 factorial. So, magiging 3 times 2 times 1, and then yung 7 factorial. So, we can now cancel 7 factorial here. Okay? So, 7 factorial, 7 factorial. And then, using cancellation method, pwede na po natin cancelled out. Ito pong 3, pwede pong i-divide sa 9. So, what is 9 divided by 3? 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And then, ito naman pong 2 na kasunod, okay, pwede pong i-divide from 10, pwede yun po sa 8. So, dito, i-divide ko po dito sa 8. So, what is 8 divided by 2? That is 4. So, ang matitirang number po dito ay 10, 3, at 4. Okay? And what is 10 times 3 times 4? Yan po ay 120 ways. Okay, so 2 particular books are always selected. That is 120 ways. Okay, so how about this letter B question? 2 particular books are never selected. So, dalawang books daw out of 12 books ang hindi natin ise-select. Okay, so ibig sabihin, kapag 2 particular books never selected, ibig sabihin, ibawas na po natin out of 12. So, 10 na lang po yung ating pamimilian. Ano po, yung dalawa tanggalin na natin kasi hindi naman sila pwedeng i-select. Pero, magsiselect pa rin po tayo ng 5 books out of yung 10 na natitira. Okay, kaya ang maging formula natin dyan for letter B ay 10, 5. Okay? So, the formula again is this one. And ano pong shortcut niya? 10, 5. Kaya 10 factorial over 5 factorial. And then, yung kasama ng 5 factorial ay subtract lang natin. 10 minus 5 is 5. So, 5 factorial. So, 10 factorial over 5 factorial sa denominator. So, ipa-factor out natin yung 10 factorial hanggang 5 factorial. Ano po? Kasi, meron namang 5 factorial sa denominator. Kaya, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Then, sa denominator ay 5 factorial, yung isa. Ito po, hindi natin factored out. At yung isang 5 factorial, ipa-factored out natin. Ano po? Kasi isa lang po yung 5 factorial sa numerator. So, we can cancel 5 factorial numerator, 5 factorial denominator. Okay, so by using cancellation, ano po yung pwede natin cancel dyan? So, pwede po itong 3 times 2 that is equal to 6. Next po ay, pwede pong itong 4 at 8. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. At ito pong 5 na natitira, 5 pwede po sa 10. What is 10 divided by 5? That is 2. So, ang matitira po dyan ay 2, 9, 2, 7. Okay? So, wala na po dito sa baba. So, that become 2, 9, 2, 7. If you're going to multiply all this one, the result is 252. So, there are 252 ways if two particular books are never selected. Okay, so salamat po sa iyong panood. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.